Hey everyone, Kerry Knoll here, and today we're going to learn all about the agency dashboard. So let's get started. Okay, in this video I want to talk a little bit about the agency dashboard. So the agency dashboard is available with the agency plan or the pro plan directly from HighLevel. Pro plan being the white label plan that I have here in this video. So on this agency dashboard we have a refresh button. We have the top left here, we have revenue last month. We have monthly recurring revenue, and we have customers in Stripe, and then we have new customers for this month. And then we have revenue distribution here in a pie chart that basically shows you how each of your products are performing and how many people or percentage of people are in each one of those products or purchase those products. Then with the growth in the last 6 months, so this covers how things have been progressing from month to month. And then finally at the very bottom we have the SaaS mode is live on the Pro plan. That's because I'm in the Pro plan. And then we have this over here, keep me posted with development. So this is disabled by default. I've enabled it here. And if you have any questions or you think this might be inaccurate, it says why are my stats inaccurate? You can go click on this. It'll take you to a help desk article that says and explains best practices for using Stripe with your agency dashboard. So that's pretty much the agency dashboard in a nutshell. I just thought I would walk you through it a little bit to make sure you have a full understanding of what each and every one of these things are. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'll do my best to answer them in a timely manner. And with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you real soon. Take care.